What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and I just received a package literally seconds ago, and it's from Amazon. I pre-ordered this thing for my daughter, and I'm excited to check it out and show you all. So it's the Fire HD 10, the all-new one that has the better processor and the better Wi-Fi, and it uses Type-C, and it supports quick charging. So it is an upgrade in almost every way. It got a little bit damaged, but hopefully what's inside is still good, which I'm sure it will be. My daughter wanted this color right here. In here we have a simple 9-watt charger. So this thing is capable of charging at 15 watts if you have one of those lying around. Or you can purchase one separately. So let's check this thing out. Wow, that looks nice. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Man, that screen looks pretty good. So right here I've got my Fire HD 8. And yeah, it's like a 720p screen. And you know, it just doesn't look all that great. So this is the latest version of Fire OS that is running off of a much newer version of Android than what we had been using on the Fire HD 8 and previous 10. Little tip for the show mode, which this does support show mode, so I'm assuming they're going to have a new show mode, which we're going to go over all the stuff it has in a moment here. But you can skip to the end of the video if you don't want to watch the whole thing. And I don't use Alexa. So no, not now, not now. Not now. So my daughter uses this for games and for media consumption. So she uses Netflix, Spotify, and Pandora. Wow, that's a much bigger screen than... It's crazy. You don't really think, like, you know, an 8-inch tablet and a 10-inch tablet would be... Like, I don't know. In my head, I just don't think they'd be that big of a difference, but it really truly is. And this has the show mode dock on it. Wow, that does look different. It's like a different color. It's running Fire OS 7.3.10. Oh, and it's downloading an update. I can tell you just by simply using this device for a moment, it feels way snappier than the Fire HD 8. Now, I do have the Fire HD 10 that I'm letting someone else use right now, but I still do have it. I just, you know, I gotta go get it. So I haven't been using it. I've been using this. And this feels kind of slow and meh. You know, it's like 1.4 gigahertz or something. So I definitely want to order another one of these and use it for myself. Because I'll probably get like the blue one. Oh yeah, while we got stuff downloading. So we've got our power up and down. We've got our headphone microphone jack. Microphone, the Type-C port, the power button, and then 2 speaker grills. That's the only real downside to these Fire HD tablets is with this being all new and the 2 gigahertz processor being even better than the old Fire HD 10 and way better than the Fire HD 8 and the new Wi-Fi and the Type-C charging, just and with all the new things they added, if they would have given this 1 more gig of RAM, that would have been awesome. I mean, it's enough to be usable, but this device feels incredibly snappy. It feels responsive. I have no complaints with it so far. I went ahead and updated it to the latest version of Fire OS, which is 7.3.11. And now I'd like to show you just how much better this tablet is. So, no apps open on either device. Let's try to launch this at the same time, and we'll see which one gets to it first. Wow, that's pretty good. And the loading bar is going a lot faster than I'm used to it going. And now we're in our town. Oh, and that's smooth too. That is really smooth. yeah, so, and then here's mine. So now I can help her with all that stuff. I know she only needs one. This thing is quick. This is great. This thing is nice. Look at this. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not nearly as smooth as this. Oh my gosh. And then when you do certain things like let's say go to your zoo, let me show you that. Someone launched the zoo at the same time on both of them. Oh my goodness, yes. Yes. Let's go back to our home. Yeah, and this is doing everything a lot faster. This is a better experience. Definitely pick this thing up for $149. That is awesome deal. That is such a great deal for this tablet. Anyways, last thing we're going to do is we're going to check out the reason why Type-C is so awesome. Now, Amazon sells a 15-watt charger. So if you can see that, that's at 0 watts right now. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in. And now it's at 13, 15, 16 watts right now. 16 watts. This is an Anker 29-watt power delivery charger. You can buy it on Amazon. I will have a link to it in the description below. You do not have to buy the Amazon one that you can get for the Fire HD. It's only 15 watts. So technically, if you buy this, you could charge at 1 watt faster than the advertised 15 watt. And keep in mind, the battery on this thing is at 70%. So it could technically charge even faster than 16 watts. But I just got this thing minutes ago. I want to get this video up quickly. But if you want to see a review, let me know. Comments might be disabled. YouTube automatically disables comments on my channel. So reach me on Twitter or Instagram and and just let me know it was from this video. I will have links to everything in the description below. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.